guys, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for tonight's video, I am very excited to share with you this one thing that I got today. It was actually a surprise gift to me, and I wasn't really expecting anything, and I wasn't really expecting for me to have this kasi okay na ako sa camera ko. I just got this new phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And so far, okay naman siya. And so, hindi ako, kumbaga, kontento na ako for now na gamitin. Tsaka napakabago pa nung cellphone ko. But then, when I got home, I got this very nice gift. So, I want to share it with you guys. I don't know much about this item. I have to Google and see. And, yeah, play around with it. So, it's actually here. Oh. And it is the napunit ko pa. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Yeah. So I think this is the latest one for the GoPro series. And like I said, hindi ako familiar sa produkto na to. All I know is it takes really good videos, really good photos even. And you can also stream it. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, kung ano man. But bear with me. I want to share this with you. I want to unbox. Well, yeah, open it. And then see what the features are. So first things first, let's open this. Meron siyang lock. Ayan. So like that. Ayun. And then the box says Stabilization Hyper Smooth 3.0 Hero 9 Black. It has 20 megapixels with 5K 30 plus 4K 60. I don't even know what that means. And it's waterproof until 33 feet or 10 meters, 1080 pixel live streaming. So yan yung nakalagay dyan. Binabasa ko lang, hindi ko naman talaga naiintindihan. So dito naman sa side nakalagay, it's of course 20 megapixels, that 5K 30 plus 4K 60, 1080 pixel to 240. It's waterproof and up to 33 feet or 10 meters. It's also voice controlled, 8 times slow-mo, data overlays, time warp 3.0, super photo plus HDR, webcam mode, and it's also a touch screen. So let's open this one. So it already comes with a case. Looks like this. Ayan. So matibay. Wow! And then when you open this one, it looks like this. Wow! Yan. Right now, what's in it is, ilang battery ba to? There's one battery, the USB cord, and then, ano to? Parang yung mount. Yan ba? Tapos yung screw, and ito. I don't really know. So marami akong kailangan matutunan at kailangan ko talaga tong pag-aralan para makuha ko yung, kumbaga para masulit naman yung paggamit nitong product na to. So, ayan. Alam, ganyan yata. 'Di ba? Yung nakikita ko sa YouTube eh. Tapos ito, mount somewhere. Ayan. Then of course, the main product. Ay, nakakatakot hawakan. Ayan. Cute! Like that. Tapos, meron siyang front screen as well. So when you're doing a video like this, na nakatalikod siya, nakaganon, nakikita mo pa rin yung sarili mo through this screen. Ayan. And then, share ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga nakakainganyo siya, yung binabasa ko yung mga features niya. although I know it is something that will take me some time to learn, at saka I really need to play around with the product para makuha ko yung talagang anong tawag nun? Yung pinaka purpose niya talaga, at saka yung features niya talaga is magamit ko. So it says here, shoot stunning 5K videos that maintain serious detail even when zooming in and capturing 14.7 megapixels frame grabs. It can also record 4K, 2.7K, 1440p or pixel, and 1080 pixel. Ayun. Tapos, it's got a max lens mod. So, ano ba yan? Oh, so this one. Ito. Ayan. So the new max lens mod delivers unbreakable max hyper smooth stabilization and max super view. This is our widest angle perspective yet. So hindi pa ako nakakita ng yung ibang series nito, yung 876 ano man, because this is the Hero 9. So I'm guessing by number din siya, parang iPhone. And I haven't seen one yet na yung talagang nahawakan ko at nakita ko. So I don't know how this is different from the old models. Pero alam ko na yung iba is wala nito. Parang bago ito at least sa mga latest na models ng GoPro. And then, more screen, of course. A new front display serves up a live preview for easy selfie framing, while their large rear touch screen delivers intuitive control. So this is also a touch screen. And then, meron siyang power button right there. And then, meron din siyang mode dito. So siguro this is part of the setting. But I know, nung nagtitingin ako sa YouTube nito, just for curiosity and just for giggles and laughs, most of the settings and stuff like that, pwede mo na siyang dito ma-navigate. So, yeah, that's for that. And then, now features in-camera horizon leveling. That's the most advanced stabilization ever. So, nanonood ako. Yan yung kodigo ko. So, this is actually from GoPro.com. So, I'm trying to see and learn the overview and the tech specs. So I'm really not gonna go into details with the tech specs because I don't even understand the terms. So ito na lang basic overview nitong item na to. And then 8 times slow-mo captures up to 240 frames per second for astonishing 8 times slow-mo. So that is something that I will need to also find here. I don't think I will be able to use it, especially with what I do, but who knows, diba? Mas maganda na yung marami kang matutunan with this item. And then more acceleration, records mesmerizing time-lapse videos with Time Warp 3.0, all out or tap speed ramp to slow the action while recording. Okay. So next is hindsight. Capture up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording. Even if you press the shutter button too late, you'll still get the shot. Interesting. Okay. And then it also has a live burst. Record 1.5 seconds before and after your shot. Find the best pick or share it as a short video. Oh, siguro parang yung nasa iPhone na yung live na 'di ba may ilang segundo or like a split second na parang nagmo-move ka. So, yun siguro yun. And then it's got a live burst, scheduled capture, and then duration capture. And then it says live stream with hyper smooth video stabilization are used as a webcam with near limitless mounting options. So of course, these are just the basic accessories that came with it. This one's and one battery. So of course, you have to buy the rest of the accessories like the cover for the frame, the cover for this screen protector. Meron pa tong sigurong mga casing, although it says that it's already waterproof, but I'm not sure if it's shockproof though, pag nahulog mo. And then, I'm the type of person who would want to buy the accessories together and all the screen protectors that I can think of when I buy an item kasi gusto ko na siyang gamitin right away. Kasi kapag wala siyang screen protector, napapraning ako, ayokong galawin, ayokong gamitin. Kasi natatakot ako na magasgas ko, which most of the time, nangyayari talaga dahil sa kapraningan ko. Kaya, etong item na to, since hindi, as in 100% di ako ready, hindi ko alam na meron pala akong regalong ganito, so wala akong accessories, hindi ko alam. And so, lalagay ko muna to dito sa mahiwagang lagayan, together with the accessories. And I need to start shopping for screen protectors and other camera accessories na kailangan nitong GoPro. And maybe towards the weekend or something, I can play around with it. Talagang ipi-play ko na siya. And I can use it kung alam ko na kung paano siya i-navigate. I'm pretty sure that once I get a hang of it, mabilis na lang yung mga setup and stuff like that. I just need to know the basic for the meantime. And also, start from there. Kaya, ayun. That's pretty much it. I am really happy. It feels like this is my Friday, although it's only Thursday. May regalong naghihintay pala sa akin. And I'm very, very happy and very thankful and very appreciative about this. This is a blessing for me. Although, blessings are not just physical things, material things, but it gave me happiness as well, knowing that somebody appreciates me and what I do, and also helping me na kumbaga, mas pag-igihan pa yung ginagawa ko, although most of the time parang just for fun lang na videos, but I'm also trying to influence and share with other people yung talagang passion ko, which is a lot of things. So I do love makeup, skincare, I do love to travel, I do love cooking, although hindi pa ako nakakapag-vlog ng cooking, ako nagluluto or sharing with you some of the food that I have, that I eat, that I like, that I want to cook. But soon po, magkakaroon tayo niyan. And some other things that I want to share with you guys, because this is me. This is your Bisayang Ilocana. And so, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video that I'm sharing with you. Again, hindi pa ako nagmamayabang. Wala po ako may pagyayabang. So, this is just something that I really want to share with you guys. This is a blessing for me, and I'm really happy that I have it. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose, and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!